So, dear students, let's summarize the poem. As I told you yesterday also, that adults have the tendency to instruct their children about what to do and what not to do every time. This is the meaning of TV. They do this to train the child for the development of their personality, and they also want to inculcate good manners. What do they want to inculcate? Good manners and values. Your parents must also be telling you. We people also tell you a number of things. So they tell you about to speak up when he doesn't want to speak. When he wants to speak, he is asked to shut his mouth, isn't it? This way, you are asked to do according to their wish, okay? Then, the next stanza, pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt. No one thinks you are funny. Take your elbows off the table. Can't you make your mind up about anything? और क्या क्या कहते हैं? Pull your socks up. Socks ठीक से रखो, ऊपर करो. Stand up straight. Say thank you. Don't interrupt. Thank you बोलो. बीच बीच में interrupt मत करो. No one thinks you are funny. अरे तुम ढंग से बोलो, ढंग से रहो. Take your elbows off the table. When we keep our elbows on the table, you are asked to remove your elbow from the table. Can't you make your own mind about anything? Can't you make up your mind about anything? This is the instruction given. If you are taking any decision, you are again nagged. And if you don't take any decision, they tell you that can't you take your own decision? Can't you make up your own mind? मीन्स अपने आप कुछ सोच सकते हो या नहीं. इस तरह से तुम्हें कंटिन्यूसली नेग किया जाता है. कोहनी हटाओ मेज से, अपने सॉक्स ठीक से पहनो, अपनी चीज़ें ढंग से अरेंज करो, बीच बीच में मत बोलो, या ऐसा मत सोचो कि तुमको इंटरेस्टिंग हो या नहीं, तुम अपने डिसीजन खुद नहीं ले पाते. दिस वे these things are told. I ask you to make a list of your own that you don't like, which you are being told about. Have you made it? So I will ask any one of you to show me the list, to send me click the picture about what you don't like and what you don't like to be told about, what you don't like to be nagged about. Okay? This way you are asked to do according to their wish. Fine. This way, this is your growing age, and it is parents' responsibility to tell you what should be done and what should not be done. Let's summarize the poem. Adults have the tendency to keep instructing to their children what to do, what not to do. They do this to train their children to inculcate good etiquettes among them, healthy habits among them. They will ask you to speak up when you are not willing to speak. If Just imagine if they are interested that you should shut your mouth when you are making noise. They also ask you not to stare, not to point out your finger. They want you to say thank you and sorry as and when required. They also ask you to sit straight, isn't it? I have told you earlier also. And not to drag your shoes when you walk in the house or in a school or in a corridor. You are asked not to drag your shoes. Then you are asked not to bite your nails. Apart from it, one more thing that is more important nowadays, that is use of handkerchief. Thank you. Use your handkerchief while sneezing. जब छींक आती है तब हमें हैंकी यूज़ करना चाहिए. Then they are told, means you people are told, not to keep your hands in pockets. Pocket में हाथ मत रखो. It is a bad manner. It is not good. Apart from it, not to interrupt when someone else is speaking. A group of people is speaking, means some guests are there in your home. You should not interrupt in between. Then, apart from it, they also ask you to not to show off. शो ऑफ करने का मतलब अपने बारे में अपन बड़ा चढ़ाकर बात करते हैं, शो ऑफ करना. That is also not allowed by your parents. It is not very amusing when we show off. It is not good. It is a bad manner. Fine? Then, if you want your parents' advice, they scold you to shut down, shut your mouth. And when you want their advice, what do they say? Can't you take your any decision? Just imagine, बिल्कुल contradictory statements हैं. Can't you take your decisions? It is not good. When you want their advice, they say, can't you take your decision? और जब आप decision लेते हो तो कहते हो अरे तुम्हें समझ ही नहीं है. This way, this is all about the feelings of the children of your age. I hope you have understood the gist and meaning of the poem. Thank you.